Well, a former Hamilton rest home worker convicted for assaulting an elderly dementia patient wants to become a trained nurse. News that's come as an unpleasant surprise for the victim's family. Sonali Deo was secretly videoed slapping 86-year-old Piri Hemi on the hip and face as she tried to roll him over in bed in June last year. Our Waikato reporter Andrew McRae was in the Hamilton District Court for the 23-year-old sentencing.
Sonali Deo was working on her own when the assault took place at Hamilton's Cascades retirement facility. Judge Kim Saunders told her that there was no justification for the way she treated Pirihemi, who she said was vulnerable and totally reliant on Deo. The judge said that while Deo was inexperienced and completely out of her depth, assistance with Mr Hemi was available. She described the assault as moderately serious but unacceptable behaviour and a huge breach of trust. Mr Hemi's son Alan says while the other staff at the home treated his father like a king, Deo didn't, as shown by the video.
Like she said, I'm slapping him on the face and hips, and then she's also grabbing him and jerking him around like a sack of spuds.
The secret filming was done after Mr Hemi's family saw a dramatic change in his manner.
He did have Alzheimer's, he did have dementia. I mean, he couldn't talk properly, he could talk here properly, but he laughed and sang songs with us, and as soon as he went into there, he didn't sing no more. He didn't laugh. And then he started telling us stuff, don't hit me, I'm done.
Deo asked for a discharge without conviction, saying would probably stop her being accepted for nursing training and registration. Judge Saunders dismissed this, saying it wasn't necessarily a bar to registration, and the Nursing Council was entitled to make its own decision, knowing all the facts. Alan Hemi was very surprised to hear that Deo wanted to be a nurse.
I think it's the audacity of it, really,
The court heard that Deo had written a letter of apology, but that was news to the family. Piri's daughter-in-law, Priscilla Hemi.
Her so-called remorse signature of note is unheard of, let alone this is the first we heard of it being submitted to the court. So I'm surprised to even hear that she even made one.
Yeah, the audacity of saying that we haven't received one. We've never been said sorry to.
Alan Hemi says an apology early on would have certainly helped.
She's not my best friend at the moment, and it would have made a difference to me if she'd have come up serious, for real, and said, I'm sorry about what I've done to your family. I'm only young.
Absolutely.
Like she said, I need a chance. We might have felt that a bit in here, but I'm glad she was convicted.
Alan Hemi says he hopes what happened to his father can in some way help other elderly people in rest homes.
For someone in a rest home to take more care and more pride in their job and treat the elderly and the young with a bit more,
Utmost respect.
bit more respect, and just do it if it's like your mum and your dad and your little sister and your brother, just do unto others as you like them to do to you, or your mum and dad.
Piri Hemi died peacefully in Waikato Hospital in January this year. His son says today's conviction means justice has been served for his dad, even if Piri isn't alive to see it. In Hamilton for Checkpoint, Ko Andrew McRae.